see how it's just getting stuff accumulated there. So normally that would be flushed down, but look, that's going back towards the house. Okay, and we're underwater. We shouldn't be underwater. The reason we're underwater, right here. So you can see I'm even having trouble passing that. That's kind of a dip in the line, or a belly they call it. And that's just toilet paper. It's not able to get pushed down. It's coming back towards the house. So what I did was go back and forth, back and forth. So I'm going back out towards the street. Okay. Back out towards the street. And you see the line is fine, because there's no water holding, but the stuff can't get pushed. So it's an accumulation. Now we're going back in towards the house one last time. We'll pull all the way out. See, we're underwater, which we shouldn't be. And it kind of begins here. You see all that? It's like a clogged artery almost. Right here. Going back towards the house. Now we're coming back up the vent. And you can see here, that ends our video.